Welcome to my soapy kitchen this early morning. This is Jennifer from Jen Spice, and this is a Mailbox Minute. Can you guess where this package is from? Amazon. I love their shipping. Amazon Prime is da bomb, literally. So let's see what we got. Oh, okay. This is all. Oh my goodness. This is Deborah's fault. You want to see some really cool bath bombs being made? Type in flip-flops. Now, hopefully, I will find the link to her video so you can watch her make some really cute, really more original of this. This is just the basic kind of flip-flop mold she used. I think it's aromatic suds. If I'm wrong, it will be in the Deborah, but you just inspired me. And so I had to get this one because it was just so cute. Just so cute. I had to. It's probably not even the same mold you use, but that is just so cute. And then I thought, because you know, summer's coming, maybe I could do something fun. I got an itty bitty one. So we'll see what I can do with this. I'm thinking wax melts, summertime wax melts is just so freaking cute. And I want to paint them. And I want to paint them different. And I want them to be super cute. So I have to say thank you to my friend Deborah for inspiring me to, do some of this, put a different spin on it. I actually went to go buy some of her flip-flops. So you should make some more of your bath bombs, Deborah. I'm sure they'll sell out again. Those were so flippin' cute. All right. I'm not sure what I'm going to make. It won't be bath bombs. It'll be something else. Something fun. But these were just too cute. I'm a shoe person. And these flip-flops, you're going to see other shoes. I may even do a whole shoe theme. I don't know. It's going to be fun. We'll see y'all next time. I hope you enjoyed this little mailbox minute. And go check out my friend Deborah's channel. Because, yeah, she totally inspired me. Yeah. Okay. Bye for now.